It's pretty easy. Yeah, go on, yeah. No, you got to kind of take your weight from one foot onto the other.